Hi everybody, I am your Prasad. Today we are going to discuss disjoint set operations using trees in DA subject. First we will see what is disjoint sets, then what are disjoint sets operations, right? The elements of a set are numbers 1, 2, 3 up to n. Imagine, for example, in elements of a set are this 1, 2, 3 up to n. And here the disjoint set definition will be set S1 and Sj, set Si and Sj. Here I and j are some variables where I and j are not equal to each other. I is not equal to j are two separate sets. There is no element in both Si and Sj are common. Sj is separate set, Sj is separate set. Si is separate set, Sj is separate set. So common, not common, right? Both, no elements in both Si and Sj are common. Then those two sets are called disjoint sets, nothing but separate sets, right? This is the definition of disjoint sets, right? Then what are the operation in disjoint sets? And before that, tree representation. We will go for tree representation. Example, imagine we have n elements, n equal to some 10 elements partitioned into 3 disjoint sets. N equal to 10 elements partitioned into 3 separate sets, right? Si equal to 1, 7, 8, 9. S2 equal to 2, 5, 10. S3 equal to 3, 4, 5. For example, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 elements. We have total 10 elements, 1 to n. Here 1, 7, 8, 9 is in set 1. 2, 5, 10 is in set 2. These two are separate sets. And in S3 set, we have 3, 4, 6. So these are 3 separate sets with n equal to 10 elements. What is tree representation? What is tree? Like branches. We have node and branches like root and branches wise. A representation is called tree. For example, set 1 tree representation is tree representation of those sets, these 3 sets. Set 1, here 1 is taken as parent node or root node. 7, 8, 9, remaining 7, 8, 9 elements are child elements. These are called child, child elements. Arrow mark is given, 7, 8, 9 root node, right? Again set 2. In set 2, 5 is taken as parent node. Here 5 is taken as parent node and 2, 10 are taken as child nodes. That's why arrow mark is given. Similarly, set 3 element. This 3 element is taken as parent node and 4 and 6 are child nodes. This 3 sets tree representation is this one. So now this is very important question. One of the important question in the second unit, disjoint set operations using trees. Disjoint set definition is this one, separate sets. Same element should not be there in set 1 and set 2. Separate sets is nothing but disjoint set. This is tree representation. Now operations. The operation performed on set. The operation performed on set are disjoint set union, nothing but union, and find, disjoint set find operation. The operation performed on disjoint sets are union and find. Find is nothing but searching an element where it is, right? For example, S2 union S2, S2 union S3. We are doing union for this and this, S2 and S3. Here S2 and S3. Now we will mix the elements. We will mix the element. S2 union S3 nothing but S2 plus S3. Right? What are the elements? 2, 5, 10. 2, 5, 10 are the elements in S2 and S3. 3, 4, 6. 3, 4, 6 are the elements or items in the numbers in the S3. Right? This is S2 union S3. Similarly, S1 union S2. You join these two, combine these two, right? And second one, find operation. The second operation we performed on design set is find, nothing but search. For example, 8 element is in set 1. For example, 10 element is in set 2, or 6 element. 6 element is in set 3. These two are the operation performed on disjoint set, right? Now disjoint set operation using trees we need to find out. This is one of the important question in second unit, right? For example, disjoint set operation using trees. The union of S1 and S2, nothing but S1 union S2. For example, S1 set, what we have? 1, 7, 8, 9. The tree representation is 1 is the parent node, 7, 8, 9 are child nodes, right? So this is here. And remaining, what is S2? S2's elements are 2, 5, 10. The tree representation is 5 is as parent root node, 2, 10 are child nodes. We are combining the parent node of a second set, S2 direction to the parent node of 1. Either this way or we can use S2. This is set 2, 5 to 10. Set 2 is 5, 2, 5, 10. Right? 5 has taken as parent node and 2, 10 are child nodes. Other set is set 1. Set 1 elements are 1, 7, 8, 9. Here 1 is taken as parent node. That parent node is connected to the set 2 child element. This is one type of representation, or you can show in this representation, S1 union S2 tree representation. So the question's explanation is this, right? Repeating, disjoint set operations using trees. What is disjoint set? Nothing but this, separate sets. The set 1 element should not have in set 2. Here example he has given this generic example of the definition. And then what are the operation performed on sets? We have union and find. Before that, tree representation of the set. These are the set elements. These are the tree representation of those three set elements. Then disjoint operations using trees. The question, he will ask the question. This is the answer. Either you can show in this way or else or you can show in this way. All the best for your exam. Thank you.